Hi guys, in this video we will see how to install WordPress locally in our PC. So to do that I will be using Flywheel. So just search for local by Flywheel. So here go make sure you go to localwp.com. Do not go to getflywheel.com. We are supposed to go to localwp.com. So just click on that and this website opens up. Here you see the download button. Just click on it and select your platform. So Windows, Linux or Mac are the options. So whichever is suitable for your device, just click on that and your download will start automatically. For me, it's Windows, so I'm going to go with that. And then fill this form, first name, last name, work email and phone number and everything. And then it will get downloaded for you. Okay, so once you're done installing, open up your local app. And over here, do you see the plus sign over there that says add local site? Just click on that and name it as something like WordPress tutorial and click and just go to advanced settings. You are going to keep everything as it is. If you want, you can change the local site path where you want it to be saved. But I'm going with the same. So I click on continue. Then this I am going to check as preferred itself. Then continue. And now this is your WordPress username and password. And you must remember this because if you forget about that, you will have to uninstall it and again install it. So make sure whatever you enter here, you remember it. And once you're done with that, go to advanced option. We are going to keep it as it is and click on add site. So now it will create this for you. So we'll wait for it to load completely. Okay, so once you're done with setting up your local website, so this is how it will look like. And you see this is the stop site button here. That means the site is currently running. So what you can do is you can click on admin and then a website will pop up where you can log in using your admin and your admin username and password that we set up before, which I told you that you have to remember. Okay, and now it is also possible that you have an error while starting the website. So in that case, what you have to do is on this button and go to preferences, go to advanced setting, and here we have a router mode. So change it to localhost, but if it is running for you perfectly fine, then please do not change it to anything else. Just keep it as it is. But if you are getting an error, then change it to localhost and click on apply and it will be done for you. So yeah, this is it. Thank you for watching.